Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by connecting your iPhone, use a certified USB cable, or set up wireless CarPlay if your vehicle supports it. Once connected, unlock the phone and allow CarPlay access when prompted. Open the CarPlay Home and tap the Video app. You may need to enable video playback in the app's CarPlay settings on your iPhone. This gets the app running on the car display while keeping permission and safety checks handled automatically. Once the app is visible, use touch controls or steering wheel buttons to play and pause. You can also say, "Hey Siri, play next" for hands-free control. Make sure to set audio output to car speakers and toggle subtitles if needed. If you need higher quality, change streaming resolution in the app. Do this while parked to avoid distraction. Remember why. These settings optimize safety, bandwidth, and sound so videos play reliably in your driving environment. To finish, stop playback and return to the CarPlay Home, or simply unplug your iPhone. The app will close automatically. If the app fails to load, restart your iPhone and the car's infotainment system first, because that often clears temporary glitches. If problems remain, inspect the USB cable, confirm Bluetooth pairing for wireless CarPlay, and verify the app's CarPlay permission in iPhone settings. This step-by-step checking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.